Hello, good morning. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through your bot. Is just a sample of what you're expected to get, just so you know. So here, of course, you can see is the Facebook Messenger inbox, and you can see the what comes up when the client clicks on your link, right? It says it has your introduction there, and then these are the the buttons, right? So when a client clicks on your link, this is what he's going to see, and then he has an option to say see properties, get free plot, or get a plot for 30k, and then there's also the questions to answer. Now when a client clicks see properties, the bot is going to pull up um, this picture. This picture we can, if you have a customized picture for your company or something, you can actually send it to us and we can work with it. So this is how the bot works. When a client clicks see properties, the bot will respond with this picture, and then it says here are some of the properties we currently have in different locations. And then we have estates in Lagos, estates in Port Harcourt, estates in Abuja, and then see more estates. See more estates are estates that are not within this location. Alright. And then the bot also tries to upsell the client by saying if you would like to get a free plot of land or you buy into our estate, or this free plot of land is simply many estates that I know that you sell, some have get buy two and get one, so that is what that free plot of land actually means. And then there's many of them also have instrumental payment plans, and that is why you have this 30k. They are just there to help you entice the clients, right? Now you can also see that the bot is trying to collect client details here because they are very important. So regardless whether the client stops at this point and say I want to see estates in Lagos, or that the client gets to this point to say, oh, you know what, I'm interested in this. If the client types his phone number here and say, oh, I'd like to know more, and then types his phone number, okay, press enter. The moment he presses enter, the bot will ask for the email address. Once it does that, the bot is going to ask for the location that he wants. Now this is the bot trying to capture the client details. Now once he puts the location, the bot is now trying to upsell the client on this, right? It says you want free plot or you want to pay small. Okay, if he says he wants free plot, the bot is going to pull up the information. So if you have the information about all the estates that have get buy two and get one and all that, we can put them there. And if you have information about all your instrumental payment plans for your estates, go into this part. But let's assume that the client came here and said I would like the estates in Lagos. If he clicks on estates in Lagos, the bot is going to pull up. I used the Praise Garden Elarinibwe as an example. You can see it pulls up the flyer first, then it pulls up the details about the estate. These are just a few details about the estate, and then it asks if you want our reps to call or chat you up about our amazing payment plans and schedule an inspection to this estate. Please kindly answer the following questions. So I go ahead and answer the question. It's asking for my phone number. Then I put on my email address as well. Then it asks for my location. I'm in Lagos. Now the reason for this location is so that you know the ones that is quite easy for you to schedule inspections for. So it's asking what is the best time for me to call you. You can call me by 12 p.m. and then okay, it says the number we've entered. Okay, you can call me by 12. Now the moment I put in there, what it says is if you would like to see more videos. So if you have more videos and pictures of this estate, this is where we're going to put it. All right, so this is like an example of what your chatbot will do. So just a very brief explanation of a very good real estate chatbot that you can use for your real estate marketing. Okay, got any questions, please let me know and I'll be willing to answer them.